Okay, so again, a pleasant evening to everybody who is watching this because right now, putang inang ingay ng aso. Pero continue. Pleasant evening because right now I'm filming this at night actually. So even though it's day there or afternoon and where you're watching, I'll say it's evening. So yeah, good day. Good evening, I mean. We are now here again for another review video. I thought it would be somewhat of a waste to sell off this keyboard without really showing it off to the people here and providing a review on it. So yeah. So the keyboard that we are gonna review today is the RK71 or the Royal Kludge 71 Keys keyboard. So yeah, as you may notice, the one I have has different set of keycaps from what could be provided to you because I received this item without keycaps but a bare bones version. A bare bones version of a keyboard has only the case or the unit itself without the switches or the keycaps. So I bought this new set of keycaps, which is this is plastic keycaps, in which case I put them here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Another thing I would like to take note of, I'd like you to take note of, is that this keyboard, this RK71 version that I have, is mil-max bauded. So what mil-max means is that the sockets of it are converted into hot swappable. Unlike in a normal RK71 keyboard, the switches are soldered on the board itself. So yeah, I have the freedom to switch the switches here on my RK71. For the features of this keyboard, I have been using this board for about a few days or so, about a week somewhat. But yeah, the experience has really been great, to be honest, because this keyboard has firstly USB-C. I mean, most mechanical keyboards already have USB-C. That's pretty much the standard. Also, this keyboard has magnetic feet, in which case the feet could be removed if you don't want, and if you'd like, to use the feet, you could just attach them like so. Another one. And there. Magnetic, very good, very cute, to be honest. This is the first time I had a board like this that has magnetic feet. So it's been a really great thing, to be honest, as I am using it. And also, this board has a very bright RGB lighting compared to my past N Pro 2, in which case I thought that was the very bright light RGB effects that I could have in a board, but I was proven wrong with this RK71. Another thing that this RK71 features is that it has an above 1450 mAh battery, in which case, because the board has a battery, or you could use it wired or wireless, so this board could be used for 24 hours straight and it won't lose a battery. After 24 hours it will die. I mean die, the battery will die, but you need to charge it again. Not die like it won't work. But yeah, it has a 24-hour battery life and also 300 hours and above standby time, as what I have read from their listing. So yeah, another thing that I'd like to note of this board is that with the board having 71 keys as provided here, unlike the common boards, in which case there are 61% or 60% boards, in which case has 61 keys, 65% boards, in which case have 65 keys or 68 keys. This one has 71, so you have more function keys at the side, but it's not really that close to a TKL, but a bit close. So yeah, another thing I like about this board, to be honest, is that every keys are in a standard layout. So most, if not all, the keycaps you may have, it will fit. Unlike here in my current board that I'm using right now, the Keychron K6, in which case you may see that the shift key is not that large. It's not a standard layout in which you would need to have a new set of keycaps that caters to the size of a 65% board or other boards. But with the RK71, pretty much any keycap set that you may find, like those cheap ones or such, they could all fit here. So yeah, that's another bonus that I could provide this board. Oh, and I forgot, while looking at this board, is that there are side bezels here that shows also RGB. So this has a lot of RGB, I mean. So with me turning it on, you may now see here it has an RGB on, and at the side you can see, let me just turn off my ring light for a sec, and yeah, it looks like a race car, to be honest, because of the side rails it has and the RGB. So when I am using this, you see that shit? It's fucking bright compared to this guy. This guy has very little RGB, but this, if you are a freak for RGB and you're looking for a budget type of keyboard, this RK71 could be the right choice for you. So yeah, let me just put it back here. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'd like to talk about the board with it. And also, again, okay, I forgot, this board also features, like I said, Bluetooth connection, in which case could connect not only to 3 devices but to 5. So you could practically connect anything in your house. I don't know why you would need that much Bluetooth, because you're only gonna use it on either your phone or either your computer. But yeah, that's pretty much what they have. So I actually wanted to buy an RK71 firstly back then, but had no chance. So yeah, I'm doing a review video now of this board because I have it, and now I'm gonna sell it tomorrow. So yeah, that's the reason I'm making this right now. So the sound test will be provided a little bit right now. And now, the RGB lightings, or the various RGB options provided by this board, will be provided right now. And yep, that's pretty much it. So this board is really great, to be honest, a great option. If ever you would buy the normal version that is not hot swappable, I'd suggest you go for the hot swap model, because you could never go wrong with a hot swap board, and you could also try other switches as well. So you could experiment things, experiment various sounds, various clicks, and you could enjoy the hobby as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me, George Abunal. I am okay, so the video practically ends here, but yeah, if you'd like to stay, okay. So yeah, I'm pretty sorry for how I'm making this video right now, in which case it looks like it's very overblown. But yeah, this is just my thoughts and also some of my personal review of this board. So I apologize if ever you think that I look scattered here. But yeah, I have classes tomorrow and it's currently 11:14 p.m. So yeah, see you in the next video if ever there will be one. Bye.